What's going on, y'all? So look, we are in Wilton, Iowa right now. We just picked up this load and we're headed to Wausau, Wisconsin. And I'm out of time. Well, not out of time, but I only got 24 minutes left. So I found somewhere to park around here. So we'll get up tomorrow morning and we'll take off. I actually delivered a load this morning in Lock Ridge, Iowa. And then I had to drive 80 miles here. And then altogether the total miles is 413 miles altogether. So you know, not crazy miles, but you know, it is what it is. I've already done, today is Tuesday, and I delivered 2 loads yesterday. I delivered the load that I had over the weekend. I delivered that yesterday morning, and then I went and picked up another load in St. Paul, Minnesota. The first load I dropped off was in Minneapolis, but then they sent me to the drop yard in St. Paul, St. Paul, Minnesota. So I had to pick up that load and then take that to the Menards distribution center, which that was my first time there. I didn't realize how big it was, but or how big it is. But yeah, so I took that load there and then dropped that off. And then I picked up another load in Marshfield, and then I delivered that this morning in Lock Ridge. And now I'm here. So just picking up this load. It's Tuesday. So we gotta get this load to the customer tomorrow. And yeah, so you know, the wind today was super crazy. I don't know if y'all noticed it on the video, but the wind was just blowing super hard for no reason. Was having a little rough time trying to bungee down my tarps and all that stuff. But you know, comment down below if you ever had to deal with crazy wind. Last time I dealt with wind like this was when I was out in Wyoming, and that was the day where I didn't drive because it was an extreme blow-up condition. But like I said, comment down below if you ever had to deal with any crazy wind conditions like this. You know, just let me know about your experience and what you had to deal with. So but yeah, I'm about to get situated for the night, and then I will see y'all in the morning, and we'll be on our way to the customer. right, y'all, so we're getting unloaded right now. Just want to say thanks to all the subscribers, thanks to all the people that like my videos, thanks to all the people that leave comments. I appreciate everybody, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.